Christopher Benaventura.
Good afternoon again. It's me again. So this time, the seminar is going to be more focused on networking. So the topic is Cisco Adaptive Security Appliance. Real hardware. We're going to be using real firewall, not virtual firewall. So we have two firewalls here. Firewall 1, Firewall 2. Then we have two standard router for family. Let me open first the so I won't be able to project on both screens. So ito muna. So lean to the left. Okay? So everybody has the instruction. Lahat po ba mayroong instruction? Meron? Sinong wala? Okay, that's good. So nandito ang full implementation procedure on how to build a site-to-site VPN. Now, but before we create a site-to-site VPN, we need to create yung ISP, okay? Which normal company connects to. So if you notice, ang daming task gagawin this afternoon. Ang dami, no? Not only firewall, not only VPN, but first, we need to establish the ISP connection. We're going to be using direct tunneling, okay? So, first of all, basic muna. This seminar is designed for beginner or newbie. So, I will be discussing mga terminologies. No? Ano ba yung VPN? So, what is VPN? No? VPN is a virtual private network. No? It's a encrypted connection between private networks over internet, no? Such as ISP, So we want to make sure that what we're doing or what we're connecting to or what we're sending over the internet is secured. Okay? We want to make sure it's secured by using IPsec. VPN solution may be classified based on the following. So merong site-to-site, meron din, galing, may site-to-site, meron din RAS, yung Remote Access VPN. First of all, yung RAS, normally used, let's say, you're gonna be working from home. Nasa bahay kayo, you have a VPN client software, then that client will connect to remote office via internet. Okay? We're not gonna do that. We're gonna build a site-to-site, meaning branch office to head office. Okay? Now, we want to make sure ng internet connection, or sorry, ang connection from firewall 1 to firewall 2 is unreadable. No? Let's say there are public entity outside the ISP which would like to read your message, no? Or someone hacking your system, or someone reading private file server. We want to make sure it's secured before going to the public. Okay? And one way of securing it is implementing IPsec VPN. Okay? So still page 1, what is IPsec? IPsec is a protocol, it's an open standard protocol which provides the following. Number 1, confidentiality. Data encryption prevents third parties from reading the data transmitted over public or over wireless network. No? So we want to make sure it's unreadable. Hindi siya nababasa. Next one, IPsec provides authentication. Okay? Authentication is defined by the internet key exchange. Let's say firewall 1 will like to send a data to firewall 2. So may authentication. So what's your password? Yun ang tanong yan. Cisco 123. Once acknowledged, that's the only time the firewall will send the message. Want to make sure is the correct intended recipient. No? So, IKE, or Internet Key Exchange, is basically exchanging to message authentication. No? Pre-shared key, pre-shared key. If both match, then the transmission will begin. If unmatched, no transmission will happen. Okay? Is that clear? Clear by Ike? Ike, so dalawa yun. Ike 1, Ike 2. So ano yung Ike 1? Ike 1, negotiation are by. Dalawa, two-way. Pwede mag-send, pwede mag-receive. Ike 2, that I is a unidirectional. No? Key exchange is required for each data flow. Unidirectional. Are we clear on definition so far? Okay naman? Okay naman definition. Eh? So this camera is designed for pasting. Sino po yung mga non-IT person? So it's okay kasi I would like to hear from you. Gusto ko kayo mag-configure ng firewall. No? So just to prove to you na it's really easy. Not that difficult. Of course, using this document. Without this document, it's gonna be hard. Okay, next one. What is ASA ACL? No? Adaptive Security Appliance Access Control List. It follows the rule of only one ACL per interface, per protocol, per direction. So one interface, Ethernet 0, one ACL, one protocol, let's say ICMP, allow, one direction going inside. So it will be pingable, the local area from the outside. Okay? So yun yung ACL na ASTA. Don't be mistaken ang ACL sa router. It's totally different. Okay? Doon kasi meron, di ba, source, then destination, then yung protocol. So this one is different. Next is NAT. What is NAT? NAT is Network Address Translation, which hide the private IP. Let's say, totoong IP is 172.16.0.10. Pag pining ko, it will give me a different IP. Because I need to protect my network. Hindi ko expose yung actual IP address ko. No? Yun lang yung NAT. It will give you a different IP. So may PAT, may NAT, so it will give you private IP or whatever. Okay, are we ready? So, first thing, as I've mentioned, if you notice the diagram, if you notice the diagram, in a real world, iba ang public IP sa bawat company. Hindi pareho. Should not be sitting on the same subnet. Kaya ito, 1.2, 2.2. Totally different. But how do you connect two different companies? Through the use of tunneling, no? Maraming technology. But now, we're going to be using GRE tunnel. Okay, what is GRE tunnel? Walang definition dito, but GRE stands for Generic Routing Encapsulation. It is discussed sa CCNA. Sino po nag-CCNA dito? Na nag-CCNA na, raise your hand. That's good. Na-simulate mo yung GRE, nagawa mo yung GRE. Okay, that's good enough. So GRE tunneling, typically used in wide area networking, no? Yung dalawang sites. Hindi EAGRP. Hindi OSPF, no? GRE. GRE, no? GRE tunnel. When you say tunnel, meron siyang tunnel IP. So what we need to achieve, we need to pick the tunnel IP. Hindi yung physical interface. Tunnel. Let's say from router 1 to router 2, you need to make sure the tunnel IP is reachable. Because the tunnel IP is the public IP. Facing the customer. Okay? You know na. We need to understand that one. So, dalawang router lang,